All right. This is a quote harder problem, but it's very, very similar to one that we did in a different video where we had to go iterate through every single pair. And so let's get at it. First, we're going to start with pair num equals 0. This is going to be our answer. And I'm assuming they want to return an integer. Yes, they do. Return pair num. So in the last one where we did this, basically it was like for x in range 0, and then what is k, the target difference? So it's going to be len of the array, and then colon, then we copy this line, and it was x plus 1 and then y. So the logic behind this, if this is your first time seeing, is this takes the first number in the array, so it starts with that, and then this one takes the next item in the array. So that's how you're going to eventually get every unique pair. And it does x plus 1 until the array is fulfilled. So that's how you get those jump pairs. And when I say jump pair, I mean if you have an array of like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's how you get like 1 and 5 together. Like numbers that aren't together naturally. And then, so, oops, hitting cap locks. So for y in range x, so this should get us every array. So x array and y array should be every pair. If the absolute value of array of index x minus index y equals k, oh right, need a colon, pair num plus equals 1. Let's run it. I think that's all they wanted. Submit. Holy cow, this, they probably have some test cases with really big numbers. Time limit exceeded. Your code did not execute within the time limits. Please optimize your code. How am I supposed to optimize it? How many points did I get though? Anyway, it's not important. So let's copy paste this code. And let's ask, how do I optimize this? Runtime too much for big numbers. Oh, okay. So this is actually so to solve it is really easy, but to solve it in an appropriate runtime is really difficult. So instead of iterating through all possible pairs with a nested loop, you can use a hash set to check if their required distance exists. Huh? There's no way. It's saying we just use a function that... Oh, no, I see it now. Okay, so first you convert the array to a set. So equals set, oops, times, okay, so first we convert it to a set. Oh, right, because it's not being used. Pair num equals 0 remains. Then for r, num plus k are I don't understand how this is faster. Let's see. Checking for the complement num plus k. So for num in our array, okay, I don't understand how this is working. Okay. I think I'm starting to get it now. Let me type out the logic so everyone can see. So first take number in the, oh, this is really genius. Holy cow. Then check if, because it wants the difference, right? So then check if num plus k is in the set. So basically all it did is, wow, this is so genius. I'm really impressed. Wow. So basically it checks if the number from the, so it takes each number in the array and then checks if the number plus the difference is in the greater array set. And if it is, it adds it. Wow. What a creative solution. AI is really ahead of its time.